These are just unbelievable events. I'm surprised more people don't do them.
The Ascend Mortgage Summit Conference, we did our second annual in 2025. Our third annual is coming up in a couple of weeks here. It's our biggest flagship event of the year. We're leveling up that event each and every year. So this year, we're really looking forward to it. Great speakers. Sean Kanungo, who was the keynote at MPC, the most in-demand speaker right now in North America when it comes to the real estate and finance industry, laser focused on AI and how to humanize AI from the benefits of just having more connection with humans and how to leverage that. So really looking forward to that.
For the first time, we did a top 50 exclusive event. So that was for all of our award winners at a really cool luxury car dealership, catered drinks, food. It was just a night of fun and recognition. So that's definitely going to continue. In Calgary, we hosted a mastermind session actually at the Equitable Bank office, which was beautiful. So just an in-depth 2-hour mastermind, all things brokering, followed by lunch and drinks with the crew. And speed dating, which these are just unbelievable events. I'm surprised more people don't do them, but we'll fill a room with, 10 lenders, either alternative or private. We separate those two on each event. We did 6 of these throughout the year. We did 2 in Ontario and 4 in BC. So 10 lenders, about 100 agents at each. You spend about 12 to 15 minutes per lender, and you just walk out of there with your brain spinning a little bit, but you've just soaked in and reminded yourself of all the policies and programs that are out there. Most brokers walk out of there submitting a deal. Every lender walks out of there getting a few deals. They typically fill up in about a week once we announce them. So those will absolutely continue and will be bigger and better. And yeah, just getting into some of the social and kind of fun culture type events, which are, it's important because brokering could be a very lonely business. If you're working on your own, if you don't have a team, a lot of people are just in their house slamming the keyboard all day. So a flagship event for sure, Summer Mingler. I think we had 150 or 180 people out to Sky Hangar and Pitt Meadows. The first 100 people that registered actually got to go up in a helicopter for a fly, which was really cool and eye-opening. A lot of people haven't had that opportunity to have that experience. So it was really cool to see that happen. And so another one, we went out to Calgary and spent the day at Mickelson Golf, which is similar to a Top Golf driving range with games, food, drinks. So really cool event. Our Ontario team had a beautiful summer party actually at our partner's house in Orangeville. Beautiful pool on an acreage full of animals. Christmas parties were a big hit this year, both in Ontario and BC. Our BC event was just a few weeks ago now, and I think we had about 250 people there at Northview Golf Course, and did it during the day this year with an after party for the folks that wanted to join afterwards, and a huge success. And our Ontario team had a really cool engagement this year, which was actually a weekly walk and talk. So all year they were meeting up weekly, bringing out, lenders, brokers, and just going for a walk and chatting the business. So lots of cool stuff going on. And we have some really cool, unique, different events coming up this year.